What's good, family? I'm back with another video. This video is going to be real short, but you could definitely check out the full video to this recipe below. Today we're going to be making Haitian Griot, which is a fried pork. This is one of the best things that we used to make back in the days, and it's a tradition, but for today we're going to be using jackfruit to mimic that same flavor, the taste, and the authenticity of it. Alright, so like I said, this is going to be a short video, so you could check out the full video below. So I was asked by the Haitians who blog for a Haitian recipe that made me feel good about being Haitian. And I chose to recreate the plantains, which is banan peze, which is a fried plantain. You fry it first, you drop it in there, you take it back out, you flatten it, and you throw it back in. Again, I have that full video right here, so if you want to see it, just hit this link right here and you'll see that full video. Now, as far as the pork, we're going to be using jackfruit, guys. We're not using pork because we're vegan. So all you see me doing is just adding everything in so I could let it marinate for a few days. Sometimes it's best to just marinate this, put it in the refrigerator for like 2-3 days, or even a week for best results, because jackfruit has that taste from the brine. In order for the jackfruit to turn into the jackfruit that it is out of that can, it's soaked in a brine that leaves a weird, awkward taste. So you have to wash it real well and season it to remove that taste. So as you can see, guys, I already coated up my jackfruit so I could begin to fry it. I added all my seasoning and my recipes that will allow it to do so. So just remember, when you're frying your pork or your jackfruit, always use 375 degrees so you can get that extra crispy layer to mimic whatever you're trying to do. See, when you're making fried chicken or fried pork or anything to do with a fryer, you gotta always make sure it's on the right temperature. Flat out. And here you go, guys. I made some griot, some Pikliz, and some fried plantains. You already know what y'all need to do. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all guys next week. Peace.